thirst for souls, come to me. I thirst, I thirst. Who will help bring them to me? Bring them to my Father, wash them in my blood, bind their wounds of sin by the power of my love. Tell them of my mercy, show to them my heart, pierced and ever broken, with love to impart. I thirst, I thirst, I thirst for souls, come to me. I thirst.